Hello there guys, I'm back again for another video. I'd appreciate it if you rate, comment, share and subscribe. It will help me grow my channel, thanks. And I hope you enjoy the video. Here is a quickish review of the Kicksound Accent 60 wireless Bluetooth headphones. The headphones come with a USB charger cable, an audio cable where you're able to use it as a wired headphones, carry pouch and the user manual. I'd say the design of the headphones is pretty sleek and quite robust. However, it's still far too early to say that because as of this review, I've had it for one day. I personally find the headphones very comfortable. I have worn it for long periods of time. Once I put my headphones on, it feels nice and sturdy and secure. As you can see here, the headphones has a swivel design. It's fairly flexible. The headphones can go up and down to accommodate people with smaller or larger head sizes. The battery life for me is one of the best things about these headphones. It's about 35 hours of playtime and it only takes up to 3 hours for a full charge. As you can see, the slider / button on the headphones, that part of the headphones is on the right hand side, and on the bottom there's an audio jack. If you press and hold the button, it will turn the headphones on. The microphone is also at the right hand side. If you quickly slide down with the slider then release, it will lower the volume. However, I've had other headphones before where you have to hold down to lower the volume. I prefer that way. And to change tracks, to hold down or up to go backwards or forwards. Finally, on the left hand side of the headphones is the charging port. Overall, I like the sound of the headphones. Clearly, as you can tell, the sound is crystal clear, pretty good bass. The frequency on the lower end could have been better, but the mid to high frequency is pretty good. The headphones have a 40mm amplifier to deliver a fuller and richer sound. I'll leave a link in the description on where I purchased the item and further information on the item. Thanks for watching guys. Rate, comment, share and subscribe.